Morning, guys. Morning, YouTube. Today we're heading out to Cars and Cigars, which I could definitely get down with that. The owner used to do Corvettes and cigars because he's a big Corvette guy. I'm sure he's gonna love this Mustang. But anyway, we're going, and I'm just gonna check it out. There's supposed to be quite a few people showing up, but it's about an hour from the house. I'll film a little bit or whatever on the way over, and then I'll get some stuff on the way there. I gotta get some gas. There's a shock, right? The Mustang needs gas, right? Every time I start the car. So I'm gonna head over, get some gas, and I'll do a cold start for you guys, but let me get this. Texas, if you know where that is. If you're from Texas, then you know where that is. But it's about 50 minutes from our house. This is going to be a little something different. Even though we do car shows and stuff, this is cigars and cars, which, see how it goes. I'm into both, so.
And coffee. Don't forget.
It works for me. Oh, and there's going to be coffee. Shit.
Very important.
Yeah. Can't have any morning in Texas without some coffee, right? It is actually really pretty coming out here. If you guys see, I wanted to film a little bit of it. You know, the countryside before they dig it all up and build houses. But you know, they're working on it. It's just going slow. With me today, so it could be less. truck in here. I got 18 miles till I get there, and I will hit you guys up. I'll do a little video when I get there, and hopefully it ain't all Corvettes. God, I hate it when they get intimidated by this beautiful Mustang. But anyway, I'll hit you guys up when I get there. So guys, we're at the Cars and Coffee over here. There was more cars, but I didn't really do it. There's a Mustang right there. Beautiful car. Layla. Nice car. We got a vet over there. We got another Mustang over there. I'm just going around the thing. Don't mind the music. Sue me if you want. I don't care. At the 427 Z06. Like this Mustang, that Coyote in it. We got a couple more cars over here. I won't really get that close. The music's loud. But another Mustang back there. I dare you. You got these cars over here. You got, this is really nice. MG. Do this. Look at that, guys. Won't make them like that no more, right? Got a Chevy here. This car is super nice. This guy, he spent a lot of time on this. See? You see it? There's Bad Pony. Got another Mustang here. It's a Bullet. You guys like that? Clean factory, just like this. It's beautiful green color. The GT500, my favorite color, the orange. I swear I'm gonna have one. Another Mustang. I think there's a trend here. Mustangs. Maybe. There were some more cars before. But like I said, I was inside most of the time. So got a Chevelle going out. So anyway, guys, that was Cars and Coffee. I missed a bunch of cars, but I will I'll get back. And in case I forgot to say it, we're at Presidential Cigars. I guess the owner, I was talking to the owner, he has a lot of car shows here and stuff, so we'll be back for this. Really great guy. A lot of great guys hang out here, so we'll be back. We're gonna have another car show. And I met some guys from a Mustang club here. We're gonna hang out, so. Alright guys, battery's dying. I'll get you when I get back home. Guys, well, I'm back home. As you can see, got the car in the garage. I know it was a short video as far as the Cars and Coffee. I should have did a video earlier. There was a lot more cars there, but I was smoking cigars and bullshitting, so, you know. If you know, you know, right? Like, you know, I rarely get time to actually go out and do that. So, but the owner invited us to come back and hang out and stuff. So I'm going to do that. And I get to meet some really nice guys. And if any of you are watching, it was really great meeting you guys. And I met the guys from, I'm not going to say it right, maybe I will, Vaquero, Space City Vaqueros, which is kind of a Mustang club. They do other cars too, but, and I was talking to those guys, and shout out to you guys if you see this, because it was great meeting you. I look forward to doing some stuff with you. And that's it, guys. I got a bunch of cigars. So that's my week. Gonna definitely smoke them. And I'm definitely gonna go back. They're gonna have another car show, and I'll get better coverage of that. And this week I'm taking the Shelby to have some work done to it. I have to have the stripes put back on the hood, so I found a shop and they're gonna do it for me. And they're gonna do a couple of little things that we're talking about, tinting the windows, doing ceramic tint on the windshield, which I think that would be awesome. But I'll probably get some footage from the shop. If not, I'll get footage of me going there and stuff. And anyway, guys, it was a short little video. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll get the other video posted up this week as soon as I get them, and the before and after of the car with and without the stripes. Thanks, guys.